Welcome to Office 24 by 7. In this video, we'll explore a powerful new Kanban view designed to simplify how you manage and visualize your leads and records. What is Kanban View? Kanban View organizes your records into structured columns based on field values, such as lead source, deal stage, or any selectable field. Each column represents a category, while individual cards display key record details, all in one place. This gives you a clear visual overview of your pipeline at a glance. The feature supports select, multi-select radio button and checkbox fields, and works across all objects, whether standard or custom. So you're not limited to leads or deals. You can use Kanban View for any dynamic object in your CRM. Now let us configure a Kanban view. Admins can configure a default Kanban layout for the entire organization. Click on the Kanban View icon, choose a group by field, for example, deal stage. Select the display options such as Open, Negotiation, Proposal, or you can select all the options together to view in the Kanban view. Then click on the Submit button. This ensures every user starts with a consistent and structured view. Once the admin customizes the Kanban view, the users have the flexibility to personalize their own Kanban view without affecting others. Using the Group By option, they can change the field, modify visible columns, tailor the view based on the workflow. These changes are session-specific, meaning they won't override the admin settings. To update your view, go to Column Settings. Click on Group By. Here you have the option to select a different field, which is a multi-select or a checkbox or a radio button field. If you want to include other options as per the Group By field, then you can select here and click Submit. Your Kanban view updates instantly with your selected options. One powerful feature in the Kanban view is the Per Filter configuration. Here we have the option to configure the filters using our filter option. This means each filter, like Open Deals or My Deals, can have its own customized Kanban setup. You can go to My Deals, select the deal stage, select the options, and click on the Submit button. This allows teams to analyze different segments from different perspectives without affecting other views. Each column displays the category name and record count. Deal cards highlight key details such as deal name, deal assignee, opportunity type, deal ID, and more details. You can also take quick actions directly from the cards, like send emails, make calls, or log activities. No need to open each record individually. With Kanban View, you get visual pipeline management at a glance, reduced navigation effort, flexible grouping for different workflows. Admins maintain control while users get the flexibility they need. Faster decision-making with better visibility. You can rearrange and navigate the Kanban board easily to view records across categories by holding the page. Kanban grouping works only with selectable fields like dropdowns and checkboxes. Ensure display options are selected. Columns won't appear. Experience smarter CRM navigation with Kanban View in Office 24 by 7, where visibility meets productivity.